Spill kits offer a quick, effective way to minimize exposures when hazardous drug spills happen. Our all-in-one kit includes content specifically chosen to align with criteria defined by USP 800, which outlines standards for hazardous drug handling. The HCL Chemo Spill Kit is ideal for cleaning spills up to 1,000 milliliters. Each kit is complete with PPE gear, cleaning products, and disposal bags. Follow these steps to keep employees and patients safe during cleanup. Depending on your facility's standard operating procedure, instructions may vary. The earliest expiration date is listed on the kit's outer packaging. If items need replaced, individual components are available for sale. Contact your representative or order online for same-day shipping. Post the Chemo Spill Warning tent sign at the spill site. Now it's time to don protective apparel. Now you're ready to safely clean the spill. Carefully place any solid, broken container pieces into the Chemo Sharps container. Depending on the spill size, use the Green Z spill powder, which solidifies liquids, the 12x12 Zorb sheets, which transform liquid to a solidified gel, or both. Once complete, use the two-step HD clean wipes to clean and decontaminate the surface. Then discard all materials per facility's standard operating procedures. Leave the tent sign in place until your environmental services team can inspect the area. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If so, click on the like and subscribe buttons. If you have any questions, please give us a call.